This is me and Pi on a depressing walk. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep. Walk cam, this is called.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, we go bowling. Is there bowling here?
Somewhere there's probably bowling.
Pretty sure there is. I'm pretty sure there's bowling here somewhere. Oh, look at this. Look at the dirt.
Go down.
I really hope I don't drop my phone because that'll piss me off. If I
Go down and get it.
don't even want to risk it. I'm going to just step back. Is that sand?
Hold on.
Smells pretty sandy. I want to go down there and play in it. And maybe
we're going to.
Nah, pretty sick. Probably more dirt than anything. Sick son of a bitch. I tell you what would be awesome and convenient right now. There's stairs going up to the left.
Why's that?
Because then we can walk back again.
Yeah.
And just keep doing
And the base is there.
Just keep doing the same walk over and over again till
No, I want to walk all the way around.
Alright,
We're going to walk home and get a boat.
Unfortunately, it does get dark after that light bulb. See now, that probably looks like Rapist Valley.
Yeah, yeah.
Not a light here, but.
So it's honestly horrible. It's $2.29.
Yep. For now.
I think we need to get back about.
Pie on Pie can. Oh, he's got his coke. He's got his coke. The boy's minty. He's fine.
Take a bit. Get that.
There's Gaiadeus. My bad. It's called. Hang on. Let's get a frame on that. There you go. There's the money. Let's roll. Let's bounce. There's cog features. And we're back. I think it's weird seeing this like river slash thing in the dark. I'd hate to be put in there. I'd hate to be in the sea slash river in the dark. I would. What? What? Tell me what? What?
You were video on the people up there.
What?
Yep. Very appropriate.
What are they doing?
They look.
Have I probably got them on?
Yeah.
I didn't see this. Why didn't you tell me?
I panicked.
Fucking idiot. Why didn't I tell me?
The whole walk. Where we started.
Why didn't I see these people?